In this short training video, I'm going to show you how to use visit lists to speed up your surveying on site. Hi, my name is James from PocketSurvey. This channel is all about helping you become a more efficient surveyor, so please subscribe to see more videos of our surveying software. You've seen how easy it is to start collecting data on site with a mobile device. You can become even more efficient if you start using what we call visit lists, or a list of addresses. It's very easy to do, especially if you've got data already imported into your database. To create a visit list, you just need to select the records that you want to send to your mobile devices. So one of the easiest ways is to click the first one and then click with the control key down. The other way is to click the first one, hold the shift key down and click the last one. The final way is just to simply choose one of the addresses and press Ctrl and A. That will select everything in the view. Once you've done that, we simply go over to the sidebar and choose Export Visit List. This will bring up the list of the selection in what we call our Data Doctor program, which is a very simplified spreadsheet. You don't need to do anything with this apart from just check that these are the addresses you want to send to your device. So we just tap Exit. Now that process on its own doesn't actually send it to your devices, because you may want to send different addresses to different surveyors. To do that, we need to click on the cloud button and click Send Files. So we can choose one or more people or devices to send the visit list to, or we can just choose one at a time. And we just choose the one we want, tap Send, and that's sent. So all you need to do is go onto your mobile device and do the transfer operation of receive. Now, if you've not got any records in the database, then you can actually insert a new record. Right click, insert, and choose a unique ID for your record. That will insert the ID. Now we can just fill out the other fields such as town and address. At this point it might be useful to start using what we call views and choose the view of address details, and that will just show you the columns that are related to the address. So now we can go in here and just type in the postcode, choose the town, and we can choose one from the previous list if you wish, and also choose an address. So that's how you can enter a new record into the database, but by far the easiest way would be to use the import feature, which is covered in other videos. So that's it. That's how you can be more efficient using address lists and visit lists. So check out all the other demonstration and training videos, and I'll see you next time. Please feel free to ask any questions below or contact me via the PocketSurvey website. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more, please join our mailing list and download the trial app, or book a demonstration via PocketSurvey.com.